ngikrende ngalama results esothola namhlanje.
Indebe esifuna la.
Yeah, if sihluleka ucollecta le 3 points Shane. Itro I right for thina.
Yeah.
Ithi ngibulisa uMadala ngiyohlala ngimbeka lapho uMadala. Iyazi into ayenza.
Sibulisa ichego.
Yeah, no Shane ithi ngimbongise man ne technical team yakhe abo Hellman. Ngicabanga benza into right Shane. Ba deal ngeplanning. Is not like mhlawumbe lama game la ucishe ungafanisa nema game afana nabo Champions League ukuthi silalela ama points Shane. So kubalekile ukuthi kumele si read opponent. Ngiyacabanga le game eLesotho ne game eNigeria. Uyabona ama game ahlukile. So ne approach angeke ifane Shane. The approach angeke ifane uma ungabheka ilineup ya coach Hugo Bros. Ukubonise something ukuthi no sidlala neNigeria. Besingeke si undermine team efana neNigeria. We all know ukuthi team enjani eNigeria, you understand? So mina ngicabanga ukuthi ilineup yakhe isinikeze something because ngiqale nje ngeteam efana neNigeria. Ngiyacabanga thina we started very well but Nigeria mawungabheka Shane bezama ukuthi ngafuna ukusinikeza ibuild up ku lineup yayo. Mayicala nje mawungabheka. I think bona game plan yabo bekuloko ukuthi no let's press them bangakhona ukudlala. So ngenhlanhla ukulimala kwale right back yabo ngiyacabanga kwenza umsebenzi wethu futhi ube lula. Even though lela goal labo lize kulela side but uyabona ukuthi uHugo Bros ukuletha umdlalo ofana noKabini, ukuletha umdlalo ofana noObas bekabheke iphysique yalabadlali befana neNigeria. That is why ngithi by analyze kahle opponent efana neNigeria ukuthi okay physically these guys are strong, then if thina sizothola abadlali mhlambe la ku defense ne height abazosinceda.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.